Welcome back. The week of retail earnings continues, and we've got the trade on Burlington, American Eagle, and Victoria's Secret in today's edition of Earnings Exchange. Here with our trades, Lee Munson, Portfolio Wealth Advisors, President and Chief Investment Officer. Lee, thank you very much for being here. We're going to start off with Burlington. Lower on the year, but up more than 81% from its October lows. Bank of America watching the strength of off-price as Burlington spends on new openings and higher clothing costs. What do you think the trade is on Burlington, Lee?
I like this stock. I think people should do some own research. I think longer term, the issue is this is a poster child for creative destruction. They want to add 500 stores over the next 5 years, and they're doing this by buying up all the stores from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think that's really what the story is about increasing their footprint by 50% over the next few years. Now, if they can do it, great. I think what's been happening in the past is that their value-oriented people, their clients, their customers, have been having inflation rise faster than wages. Once that kind of flips and wages start rising faster than inflation, I think we'll be good to go. I think this is a great story longer term. I'm not sure if there's a short-term trade here.
All right. Next up, let's talk about American Eagle Outfitters coming off its fifth positive week in the last 6. Citigroup is seeing increased demand overall, but especially in the company's Aerie stores as the retailer looks to expand its gross profit margins. What's the take here, Lee, on American Eagle?
My daughter loves it. The kids, the teenagers, they love this brand. They're making all the right moves, but here's the problem. I don't like competition. This is risky business. So while they're going to remodel about 50 more stores, it's hard for me. I mean, look at the last 10 years on this stock. It really hasn't, given too much shareholder value. So tomorrow they're going to have an investor conference, and they're going to start talking about how they're going to increase shareholder value. I think there's only one way to do this, which is buybacks. So I want to wait. I want to listen tomorrow, and I want to see that CEO show me the money. Because again, this is retail. You have to make all the right moves just to survive.
All right. And finally, on retail, Victoria's Secret and Company on pace for its third straight down week, but well off its October lows. Wells Fargo is focused on brand strength, seeing outsized growth in its fragrance business as the company cuts costs with better inventory management trying to take hold. What's the trade in your mind, Lee, on Victoria's Secret?
To walk away like all the teenagers do as they walk through the mall. Just Peter Lynch this thing and take your teenage daughter and bring her to the store and say, is this a brand that you see as relevant for the next 10 to 15 years of your life? Let me tell you, their new stores of the future, 70 plus of them, okay, having a makeup counter and an insincere gender neutral product line is not going to save this dead, dying retailer. They can't put the numbers. It's competitive. I would just walk away. I don't care about a dead cat bounce. I don't care about a short squeeze. I don't care about some idea. Maybe some private equity company is going to come in and buy a dying brand and turn it around. Take a walk.
All right. There's the trades. Harsh, if you will, from Lee Munson over there at Portfolio Wealth Advisors. Thank you very much, sir. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you.
All right. Well.